10 years ago, Kat met his own coffee prince, which is Eldon. Yeah. We all know Eldon can make a good cup of coffee. Kat and Eldon loves to travel, beautiful places around the world. I know that you have your ups and downs in your relationship. Saksi ko ka rin. But here we are. We choose to forgive, to stay and love each other no matter what.
He relieves, you know that then you've blown it. And as life goes on, you know you get to taste all you find. 'Cause baby, you're my life.
Love is blind. Totoo ba yon? Taas ang kamay sa mga naniniwala. Love is blind. Kayo, dalawa, naniniwala kayo sa love is blind, ano? Naniniwala po kayo. Love is not blind. Hindi bulag ang pag-ibig. Taas ang kamay. Si Con JL, hindi naniniwala yan. Love is not blind. Hindi bulag ang pag-ibig. Love is not blind. It sees, but it doesn't mind.
All you find. 'Cause baby, you're my life.
Joke lang. Sana maging happy kayo throughout the years. We will grow together as couple and Christ-centered. Maging matured na kayo. Now you're married. Please give us now babies. Now we're praying for babies soon.
Baby, you're my life.
So, ayun nakilala ko si Kat nung college, MQC days. Dahil irregular ako na naging kaklase ko siya.
Actually, transfer siya from AUF. And then, ako sa Merida Queen College nag-aaral. So,
Ayun, naging close kami dahil parang mas marami yung subject na kaklase ko siya kaysa sa mga ibang pagka-irregular ko.
meron kami tour sa Baguio. Doon na nag-start yung namin. Doon kami nagkakilala. Pagbaba namin. Nagte-text-text sana kami, ganon. Yun.
Wedding is just for a day. And marriage is for lifetime. Yung wedding, isang araw lang yun. Yun yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Wedding day nyo ngayon, isang araw lang. Pagkatapos ng araw na to, tapos na yung wedding day ninyo. Pero yung married life, panghabang buhay.
Let the years heal Let our hearts like doors open wide, settle our bones like wood. Over time, give us breath, give us song.
Sa 10 years namin, napaka-loyal niya talaga. Hindi ako nagka-problema sa babae sa kanya.
Masyado siyang maasikaso. Kahit na maliit na bagay lang, hindi siya nagpapabaya sa akin. Hindi siya nagbago hanggang ngayon.
Beko, finally, nandito na tayo, yung hinihintay natin. After 10 years, nakapagpakasal din tayo. Kaluguran ko, lagi ko sasabihan kaya na choco mo palagi, Kenny, para alagaan ko at supportan ko kay hanggang muri mo. Love you.
Sana maging tuloy-tuloy yung natin, bagong kabanata. Sana maging masaya tayong dalawa.
Be, isulod me, ining sing-sing,
At imong tanda, ang kanakong lugod at katapatan.
ting lagyuning ikpa,
Ang poning anak,
ang po ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
bones us bread, give us salt, give us wine. Give us bread, give us salt, give us wine. Smaller than dust on this map
Eldon,
lies the
napapanayan mo.
greatest thing
This is it.
we
Kiss the
have.
bride.
The dirt in which our roots may grow, and the right to